Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve being laggy on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve being laggy on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. And you can click here. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.